Welcome. This is how to use our financial inclusion map. Step number 1. You want to locate the map by looking up Bank On Greater Milwaukee or bankonmilwaukee.org. Make your way over to our Financial Tools tab where you will see our handy tools, like how to open a safe bank account or our banking comparison tool. And finally, you'll see our financial inclusion map. Now that you found the map, you'll see the About and How to Use section. Click out and make your way over to the search icon on the top right corner and type in your start location. We recommend an address like your home or work location to find the closest bank to your area. Now that you have a starting point, you can take a look and explore different banks. You can zoom in and out with your mouse or zoom in and out with the plus and minus icons to the left-hand side of the screen. As you explore, you'll notice that the gray circles are banks that offer Bank On certified accounts, and the black squares are banks that do not offer Bank On certified accounts. But regardless, you should be able to find all banks in the surrounding area. This information is also found on the right-hand side of the screen. Once you decide on a bank that catches your attention, you can take a look at the linked website where you'll see further information about the benefits of the account. Specifically, you can see how to open an account with them. Whether it's an online process, a phone call, or an in-office visit, you can figure out your next steps right here. You can always go back to the map to keep exploring. And you can find the About and How to Use section on the top right area. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there.